everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about my Tinder experience, and I have some chai with me because tea, literal tea. Not interested in story time, you can watch another vlog or some other challenge that I've done on my channel, but please subscribe, like, share and comment, and let's get started.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So I downloaded Tinder like a few months ago, and when I was in college, when our college was open before the pandemic, I used to set my college happens very early in the morning, okay, and there are like two other colleges near my college, and one of this college is the boys college. So they have their shifts very early in the morning, and we have our shift very early in the morning as well. So in our lunch break they have this mini break. In our mini break they have this lunch break, or their college probably gets over. I am not sure, I can't recall because it's been 7 months since I've been to college. Oh my god, I miss college. Yes, so whatever the case was, I used to like go out for chai every break time pay, and I used to set my diameter to 1 kilometer so that if there is any guy around me and we swipe right mutually, then maybe we can meet or something, I don't know. To do that, and one morning I did it again when I was in class. I swiped right and was a match, and we started talking instantly, okay, like within 5 minutes it was a match and we started talking. Now 5 minutes into the conversation, I think I really know this guy. Now it got me thinking how I know this guy, but apparently he was one of my cousin's best friends, and this cousin was, both of us are not really on very good terms, so you know what these cousins are like. But if you don't know, I don't know how to explain that to you, but it's not a nice feeling, isn't it? We were talking, and the first thing I do on Tinder is just get our expectation setting clear, which means what are you here for, or I just ask and get it cleared. What are you looking for? And I also state whatever I'm looking for. So this guy told me that he's looking for something really casual and he's here for just fun, and I was like fine, and then we were talking, okay, and we kept talking, we were texting, and I went out for chai at this particular time, and this chai shop is like really near to that boys the college that I was talking about in the very beginning of the video, and this guy studies in that college. I didn't know all of this, but in that break we go out for chai every day, okay. We ordered, and then we saw this one group of friends standing right behind us, and this guy was standing right there. So apparently I do it on purpose. I swipe right to people who are really near me in 1 kilometer's diameter, but this was like really near. I didn't expect, and we were texting, and he didn't see me, and I saw him very clearly. Now, me being the smartass that I am, I am still texting him. I am asking him where he is, because that's who I am. I just didn't. I just wanted to know, texted him asking him where he was, and of course he didn't see me, and I was not turning back, okay. I was with my friends group and he was with his friends group, and I didn't turn back at all, but I could see him because my friends could see him, and he was very weirdly positioned. I can't explain. But then I saw my cousin standing with him, which was so damn awkward. Who cares? And so we were constantly texting, and I asked him where he was, and he told me he's at this chai shop. He told me everything, okay, but I asked him whether we could meet right now. So this guy tells me that maybe we can. So I was like, okay, where are you, where can we meet? And then he told me ki theek hai, abhi I cannot meet you right now, but I can meet you today. So I told him, okay fine, let's meet in 1 hour or something after my college gets over, because I am in college right now. After like maybe 10 minutes, I saw the group walked away, okay, and then I texted him telling him that I saw him, and I saw him with his group. He was drinking chai. He didn't see me. It was like really funny, but he blocked me and he unmatched. I don't know, for some goddamn reason. I don't know why he did that, but maybe my cousin told him something, or I don't even get it. Like, guys, do you guys discuss dates, or do you not, or do you? I don't know really, but whatever. So he just blocked me out of nowhere and unmatched. I did not even get a chance to question or anything at all. And then the fun part of the story is, apparently when I got to Instagram to look him up and maybe not text him, because I'm not that creepy and I didn't like him really, but just to know who he is, I saw he is already dating one of my friends and they've been in a relationship since 3 years now. And this friend of mine is not really a friend, but she is a senior from my school. So, I mean, I'm not stupid. I do see her stories and I know what you do on Instagram. I mean, yeah, I know your boyfriend. So, I didn't know how to react because I really wanted to tell her, but we were not friends, or we were not good friends. But I did want to text her. Maybe they broke up. I don't know. Anyway, so the story does not end here. After that, 5 days later, I go to this one party of that cousin of mine, and there I see his whole group with him standing there. Now it was so super awkward. I cannot explain that to you, but yeah, it was a fun experience. And then he did see me, obviously he did, and I saw him, and both of us acted like we didn't see each other, of course. And yeah, that was one of my Tinder experiences. I will share more of them because I've had like really fun experiences and I've had like really dumb experiences. I will also share Tinder date messages in some video, definitely. But stay tuned for more content and let me know if you like my story time. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye, I'll see you soon.